I will help you scale your Amazon business about $50,000 a month. The only thing is that you need to meet these criteria, okay? I will hold you by the hand with a small group to do it if you are willing to put in the work. If you guys know, if you've been following me for a little while, you guys know that I have a group mentorship program, okay, that is $50 a month. That was for $50 a month. We're going to talk about that. By the way, if you joined already, your price is fixed as long as you stay. And there's a lot of perks that are coming that are going to be worth way more than $50 a month. So just to thank people that joined before, yeah, it's going to stay at $50 a month for them. But the thing is that if you've tried to actually get into the group mentorship program in the last couple of days, you may have noticed that the links are not live anymore because, and I wanted to make a whole video to address this. I wanted to address this in this video because we are going to revamp the whole application process because of a lot of stuff that is happening, and we are going to redesign the mentorship program because of a couple things that I'm going to talk about in today's video, and I will tell you how I can actually help you scale if you are willing to put in the work and what criteria you are actually going to need to meet for us to be able to do that for you. Okay, before we start, link in the description. There's a free ebook that will teach you how to source, okay? For 100% free, get it. We have a Discord server, join it. And if you need one-on-one coaching, there's another link in the description, you can join it. By the way, if you want to apply, because yes, right now, starting from now, you are gonna need to apply for the group mentorship program, There's gonna be another link for that, but you can do it from the first link that I said about the coaching program, okay? So, as I was saying, yeah, you cannot join the mentorship program anymore. Okay, why? Because and this is something that I was a little bit scared about when I actually started talking about the group mentorship program, is that some people will say that they are motivated but are actually not motivated and are going to hold spots in the group mentorship program, while other people would actually be able to take their spot, right? By the way, I appreciate like, I appreciate all of you guys, it's fine, but this is the reason why we are changing the process and we are going to do a full application, and it's not going to start the second round for the group mentorship. I mean, the next group that I will take, there's going to be an application process, there's going to be a wait list. You may not get in it, okay, but it's going to start. Today is February 6th, so I'm probably going to start this group around March 15th, if we have enough people meeting the requirements, because this is what I wanted to do at the beginning. And the truth is that I was right, because there's a lot of people that first do not show up to the calls, that actually pay and do not show up to the calls, which is actually crazy, or people that actually show up to the calls but do not put in the work. And there's nothing I can do if you do not put in the work, like, and I even tell my groups, like, you are paying, okay? You are paying, and if you do not do the work, you are throwing money out of the window, right? I do not even need your money, okay? Because if you actually like look at it, and if you are in the coaching groups, in the coaching calls, you may have noticed that I do not even look at time, and that I actually, like, if you actually count, I actually work at less than minimum wage, probably, because I give everyone one-on-one support. Like, I text everybody, like, everybody can ask me questions by text, and it takes a lot of time to actually talk to everybody, right? Also, I do catch-up sessions, and I do sessions, because it's supposed to be 1 hour a week. There's a week where I actually do, for certain groups, 3 to 5 hours, because I do multiple catch-up sessions for people that actually miss the call and all that stuff, which is fine. I do not mind, by the way. But like, if you actually look at it at a monetary perspective, like, financially, it doesn't even make sense. But I do not even do it for the money, because I do it because I really want guys to be successful. And this is why I put so many hours into groups and actually help people outside of the coaching calls that we do, right? So and it takes a lot of time, actually. You may not realize it, but it takes a lot of time. And this is why right now, if you want to join the mentorship group, you're going to need to go through this, okay? You're going to need to book a call with me. I'm going to do the calls at first, but I'm going to delegate this pretty soon. I'm not going to take the calls. It's going to be 15 minutes calls. And before you actually do the call, so you select the time, all that stuff in the page if you click the link. And you're going to have a couple of questions to actually answer, okay? That will actually allow me further, because if you do not meet the criteria, I can see it from your answers, we will not even have the calls, it does not even make sense. But if you actually do meet the call, if you actually meet the criteria, we'll meet on the time that you choose. We'll talk for 15 minutes and see if you actually are a match for the program and if I can actually help you and if you're actually motivated enough, right? Because, and by the way, I want to do, I'm going to take, I think I'm just for the next group that I'm going to do, by the way, I'm bumping the price up to $100, but we're going to do smaller groups. And because, first of all, I want people that are really motivated because it feels like, people are paying $50 and some people actually do not care about $50, just another $50 that they are throwing out of the window, like they do not necessarily care about it. And so, like, that's why some people, of course, because by the way, there's people that are missing, but that are actually active in the small community, that actually want catch-up session, that actually go on catch-up session with, and it's fine, people go through stuff all the time, you cannot attend all the time. This is not the people that I'm talking about. The people I'm talking about are people that are actually holding spot and not coming, because I don't care about your money. This is the thing that you need to understand. I don't care about another $50, okay? My Amazon business is working great, okay? I'm making enough money to live with my Amazon business. I'm making way more money than I need to live with my Amazon business. We have YouTube on top that pays me a little bit of money. All the stuff around YouTube that pays me a little money. I do not need that, okay? I do not necessarily need it, okay? It's a nice little extra, but actually for the work that I put in, I'd rather put that amount of time in my business, and I would make way more money if I actually did other stuff instead of it. The reason I'm doing it is because I actually want to help people, okay? I want to help people, and this is why I dedicate a lot of time. If you actually count how much time I'm spending in this shit, it's actually way low. It's actually, minimum wage for me, while my time is actually worth way more than that. So the reason I'm doing it, okay, is because I want to help people. I really want to help people. And so if you want to join the group mentorship thing, please make sure that you are actually motivated, okay? That you're actually motivated. And if you are, book a call. If I have enough people that actually meet the criteria, we'll start a new group. I'm happy with the group that I have right now. A lot of people that are working great, that are hard workers, that are actually putting in the work, and that are, and it's actually nice for me to also talk to other people, But, I really want people to actually, I want to find motivated people that I can actually scale. I'm going to take a small groups, probably 3 to 4 people for the next group, okay? For the next group that I'm going to start, 3 to 4 people. Right now I'm bumping up the price, yes. But the groups are going to be smaller. And, I really want people to be motivated. I want like the 3 or 4 people, or 5, maybe maximum 5, that I'm going to take in this group. I want people that are 100% committed to their business, that can invest, okay, that can invest at least 2 hours a day to this business, in addition to the hourly call that we are going to have. And once again, I do not care about going above the 2 hour, like the 1 hour. The 1 hour time, and for I did calls, okay, I did calls that were 2 hours and 30 minutes, even extra calls like catch-up sessions that were 2 hours long, okay. So I do not even care about the time. I really want to help people. By the way, if you look at what other people are charging for stuff like this, they do mentorship group and charge a flat fee of $4,000, $5,000, okay, to people to join their mentorship group. I'm not doing this. I'm keeping it super affordable. But I need motivated people, okay? This is way more fulfilling. It's not about the money. It's about helping people to grow that business fast, okay? And for this, I need people to actually put in work, because let's say, okay, let's not talk about that. But this is what you need to realize. If you are motivated, if you are 100% motivated, you are ready, you are hungry, get on a call with me. It's 15 minutes, it's free. We're going to assess the situation, and we're going to see if it actually makes sense for you to come on a group mentorship with me. We're going to start a new group soon, and if you want to scale fast, just put in the work, trust the process for 2, 3 months, 2, 3, 4 months. If you invest the money, if you do the work and you invest the money into inventory, there's no way in hell that you do not scale, okay? And I'm 100% sure of that. So this is something that you are interested in. By the way, follow me on social. It's right there. But if it's something that you are interested in, that you are actually interested in, get on the 15-minute call with me or a member of my team, probably my VA. I'm going to delegate this soon. Get on the 15-minute calls. Let's talk. Let's see if we can actually help you. Okay? Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video.